Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pork roast, step by step. First, choose a quality cut like a boneless pork shoulder, often called a Boston butt or a tenderloin. Pat the meat dry with paper towels to ensure a crispy exterior. Then season it generously with your favorite blend of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and herbs. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for the perfect roast. Now, place your seasoned pork roast into a shallow roasting pan, ensuring the fat cap is facing upwards. This helps to self-baste the meat as it cooks, keeping it moist and flavorful. Roast the pork for approximately 25 to 30 minutes per pound. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. The internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a safe and juicy result. Once your pork roast reaches the desired internal temperature, remove it from the oven. It's crucial to let the roast rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you begin slicing. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful experience. When ready, slice the roast against the grain into your preferred thickness and serve immediately. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding aromatic vegetables like chopped onions, carrots, and celery to the roasting pan around the pork. These vegetables will caramelize and infuse the drippings with incredible taste. You can then use these drippings to create a rich pan sauce. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly roasted pork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.